Hey, what's up? In this video, we are going to deal with Illustrator. So, let's get into the video.
Yes, sir.
While I was tracing out the doodle for coloring, it's not interesting. That time I get a great idea. So let's learn illustration.
No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes peer with my mind clear, never look rear, only up, never down, off the ground till I'm found, hear the sound, listen to me now, as the beat pounds, every ounce of my effort pouring out, so you never have a doubt, do you like me now, am I good enough now, should I get more loud, till you hear the fucking sound, oh no, I'm losing my shit again, having to fit again, man I'm forgetting when, I used to have some friends, I used to play pretend, we all grow up and then, hating my phone and trends, I'm about to blow my head, nobody knows I'm dead, fear I'm a ghost instead, think that I'm close, I get straight on my...
It's simple like a traditional paint app. It has a square, it has a rectangle, it has an ellipse. So you are just going to use that tool to draw squares and rectangles. The unique thing is the pen tool and then curvature tool. So the pen tool are used to draw the crisscross lines and curvature tool is used to draw some curvy lines. So these are the important things about illustration. So let's start illustration.
That's all you got, could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah. One shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah. I know that I'm a little OCD, the people close to me already know that's me. That's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect, need something to work towards.
Wait. So if you have any doubt in illustration, there is an app to suggest. So the app name is YouTube. So just install the YouTube and subscribe to our channel so you can learn illustration easily.
Who knows? You don't, I don't, is everybody stoned? I groan, cause I'm sick of mediocrity. Where's the quality? Everything's about quantity. Ironically, we feed our minds constantly, but don't think logically. One shot, that's all you got. Take it right now, before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah. One shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Take it right now, before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah. One shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah.
3 days later.
And it's time to intro.